Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Jimdo. You're on the Rome Tips channel, and today we're diving into a Jimdo website builder review, sharing my personal usage experience. Jimdo is a remarkably straightforward website builder, perfect for beginners. It's specifically designed for small businesses, freelancers, or anyone who needs a quick and easy way to create a functional website without any hassle. During my time using Jimdo, I discovered its most impressive feature, its sheer simplicity. The platform utilizes an AI-powered approach called Jimdo Dolphin, which streamlines the setup process incredibly efficiently. It begins by asking you a few simple questions about your needs and preferences for the site. Based on your answers, Jimdo Dolphin automatically generates a customized website template. You can then fine-tune this template further, making it ideal for users who prefer not to build from scratch. Jimdo also offers a variety of modern, mobile-responsive templates, guaranteeing your website looks great on any device. The editor itself is remarkably user-friendly, employing a drag-and-drop system for effortless customization. The basic tools for adding text, images, and sections are intuitive and easy to grasp. This allows you to quickly construct a website without feeling overwhelmed by a plethora of complex options. Jimdo thoughtfully integrates SEO tools, empowering users to optimize their sites for search engines without the need for third-party plugins. This is a significant advantage for beginners looking to enhance their online visibility. The platform includes essential features such as a contact form builder, basic e-commerce functionality, and seamless social media integration. While Jimdo's e-commerce tools are sufficient for smaller online shops, larger stores with more advanced requirements might find the functionality somewhat limiting. Jimdo's pricing structure is quite attractive, especially for those looking for an affordable entry point into website creation. The plans encompass hosting and essential security features like SSL certificates, ensuring your website remains secure and reliable. One potential drawback worth mentioning is that Jimdo's customization options are slightly more restricted compared to more advanced website builders like Webflow or Doodah. However, this trade-off contributes to the platform's simplicity and ease of use, which is precisely what many small business owners and non-technical users require. In my experience using Jimdo, I appreciated how it strikes a balance between simplicity and sufficient flexibility, enabling you to create a professional-looking website in a short amount of time. In conclusion, Jimdo is an excellent option for anyone who prioritizes ease of use and requires a functional, visually appealing website without a steep learning curve. If you're searching for a budget-friendly, user-friendly website builder that covers the essentials, Jimdo is definitely worth considering.